Lamp replacement and reset. Ensure your unit is replaced with a genuine Vequa lamp before following these next steps. Please wear gloves when replacing the UV lamp to avoid transferring fingerprints onto the quartz. Fingerprints will obstruct UV light from penetrating the water. Sterilight, A3 reset. Replacing a UV lamp. The UV lamp must be replaced after 9,000 hours of continuous use, about 1 year. Shut off the water line to the chamber and release the system pressure before servicing. Disconnect the unit from the main power source and allow the unit to cool for 10 minutes before proceeding. Remove the lamp connector by squeezing the plastic locking tabs on the side of the connector and pulling upwards. Remove the lamp in an upward direction from the chamber and the lamp connector base. Always hold the lamp at the ceramic or plastic ends. Set aside or safely dispose of the old lamp. Contact your municipality or look up your municipality's guidelines on how to safely dispose of the used UV lamps. Insert the new lamp into the chamber, leaving about 2 inches of the lamp protruding from the chamber. Attach the connector to the lamp and be aware that the connector will only allow installation in one position. Push the lamp connector against the lamp connector base together until a click is heard. Repressurize the system to check for leaks. Resetting the day counter. Unplug the power cord for 30 seconds. Ensure the controller is fully powered down and no longer making any noise. Hold down the reset button located on the side of the controller while the system is unplugged. Plug the power cord back into the controller while holding down the reset button. Keep holding down the reset button until RSET is displayed on the screen. Let go of the reset button and the screen should show 365 and no longer be in alarm mode. If the controller remains in an A3 alarm, check to make sure the reset button is not damaged. The rubber cover on the button may be missing or damaged. The button may be broken and the controller may need to be replaced.